Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is May 7, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, let's get started here. We're going to start off the day with the S&P 500 E-mini futures. You'll see that the futures right now are trading up by 7 points to 26.70 per contract. All in all, the market had a big rally Thursday and Friday, and they're trying to keep it going today. Today is a Monday. Volume will be a little bit on the lighter side. That has a tendency to happen on Mondays. So we'll see how it plays out. We don't get as many earnings plays or anything along those lines, but we still have several out here. So let's take a look at the charts. We're going to start the day off with Berkshire Hathaway, BRK.B. We'll use the B shares. They're trading right now at 196.60. They closed at 195.63. Warren Buffett right now is on CNBC. He's appearing there with Bill Gates as well. So again, watch that there, and we'll see how it plays out. But right now, Berkshire Hathaway up a little bit. I don't see anything terrible here. I don't see anything great. If you own it, just try to ride it out with a trailing stop. There's not really a whole lot to do yet. If something does appear, we'll look at it in the intraday stock chat room. All right, let's take a look at Tyson, TSN, Tyson Foods. Stock right now is trading at $64, closed at $66.97. So that's a good little haircut here for Tyson, down about $3 from Friday's close. The only level that really gets me excited would be down around 57.5. So keep that on the radar. After that, we got to go much, much lower. But around the 57 to 57.5 level looks pretty good for Tyson Food for support today for an intraday bounce. So keep that on the radar, and we'll see how it plays out. But right now, I'm not seeing much to do. Even though it is down ticking, we're really not at a level where I really desire to get in before that 57.5 spot. So keep that on the radar. We'll see it. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings, and we'll view this then. So again, if you haven't done so, we had a great Friday, a great week last week. If you haven't done so, come on over, trade alongside of us. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We're having a blockbuster 2018. Let's move over to another one here, StarBucks. It looks like they struck a deal with Nestle, so this stock is getting a little bit of a bump. Closed at $57.68, now trading at $59.30. So Starbucks on the move here a little bit. Still a lot of resistance in this $59 to $60 level, but really the big resistance comes around 61, so keep that on the radar today. Next up, I want to take a look at SHAK, SHAK. Looks like this had a downgrade today by JP Morgan. I actually agree with this downgrade. I think the stock got a little bit overdone on Friday. Had a great move after earnings. Again, right now today settling in around 55.08. That's more reasonable, but sometimes when you get an earnings announcement and the stock does pretty well, it can overshoot, and I think that's all that happened here. No big deal for SHAK. Watch for pattern, but I would not be a buyer of the stock at this level. Next up, I want to take a look at Illumina. I believe this is on the back of earnings. ILMN is the ticker symbol here. Stock is getting a nice little bid. Not a whole lot of volume behind it, so got to be careful there, but it is trading at $250 a share. Closed at $244.82, so nice little pop there. This does still have more upside to go, but you want to be careful up here as it is starting to run into resistance on the bigger time frame charts. So we'll see how that plays out. Next up, we want to take a look here at Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo looks like they've come to some kind of agreement over their fraud case. So right now the stock is trading. Oops, that's not Wells Fargo. WFC. There we go. So Wells Fargo right now trading at $53, closed at $52.40. So that is upticking a little bit. Stock is still holding in there pretty well, but it looks like they did reach an agreement on their fraud case, or one of their fraud cases. So again, stock is upticking a little bit. Let's take a look at McDonald's today. MCD is the ticker symbol here. Stock looks like it got moved to Goldman Sachs conviction buy list. I don't see a lot of upside here, but again, it's a strong name in an uptrend. Anytime you have a stock that's this strong, trending this nicely, anytime it consolidates, it can go higher. So right now, McDonald's trading at $166.26, closed at $165.03, but I don't see a lot of upside here. So we'll see how that plays out once the opening bell rings today. All right, let's jump over now to the gold market. Gold futures right now trading down about 1 point to $1,313.80 an ounce. And then on the flip side, we have crude oil over $70 a barrel. Right now, crude oil is trading at $70.64, up 92 cents this morning. So crude's on fire. Here's the USO chart. You're going to see that is trading at $14.26, closed at $14.09. And again, spot crude trading at $70.65 a barrel. All right, there you have it. Again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. Blockbuster week last week. We're going to look to keep that going. Earnings are still pouring in. We got lots of earnings plays out here. We're going to have one gap play this morning as well. So again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial, and you'll trade right alongside of us. And like I said, we're going to look to keep this blockbuster year going in 2018. With that being said, everybody, I want to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.